From Dan's Crafts and Things. We just received our first shipment of the Losi Super Baja Rey. Thought we'd do a quick unboxing video, see what we got inside this thing. Normally we would not receive a Saturday delivery, but because of the big snowstorm yesterday, FedEx decided to take all their trucks off the road. So we get the bonus Saturday video. Alright, looks like we've got the new Spectrum Active DX2E radio system. And this is the black body, they call it. I would call it green. Alright. Wow. Have to say, it's pretty impressive in person. Heavy duty parts throughout. Nice adjustable shocks. What else we got here, Jay?
Couple of driver figures ready for action. Metal links in the back for the uppers and some nice beefy plastic ones for the lowers.
You can see the little antenna there by the fans.
Some limiting straps down in there.
Accessible switch here, or button. Lights on the rear as well as the front. Got a nice row of lights across the front as well. Not sure how we're opening it up here.
I'm there to help if you need help with a little
Perhaps we're not opening it up.
Aluminum chassis. Solid arms.
Oh yeah.
Got some disc brakes you can see in there that are for show. Universal drive shafts.
Yep.
Bump stops on the shocks there. Sway bar up front.
Pretty impressive machine. Come on in and take a look at it. Got it on the counter here at Dan's Crafts and Things in Rochester, New York. Thank you.